In this video, you'll learn how to set up a CEO agent in Paperclip AI. By following these instructions, you will successfully create and configure your agent to perform effectively within your organization. Begin by navigating to the Paperclip dashboard. Once you are on the main page, you should see the various options available to you. This is your starting point for setting up the CEO agent. Next, locate and click on the section labeled Company. This action will lead you to a new screen where you can input specific details about your company. Ensure that you are on the correct page before proceeding to the next step. After that, find the option that says Name Your Company. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your company's name. This step is crucial as it identifies your agent's operational context. Once you've entered the company name, click on the company name itself to confirm your entry. This action solidifies your selection, and you should see a confirmation that your company name has been registered. Next, type in the highlight for your CEO agent. This highlight serves as a brief description of your agent's main focus or mission. After typing in the highlight, click on the Next button to proceed. This action will take you to the next step in the setup process, where further configurations can be made. At this point, click on the Agent option. This selection will lead you to the area where you can create your first agent. Confirm that you are on the correct page before moving on. Next, click on the option labeled Create Your First Agent. This will initiate the creation process for your CEO agent. You should see a new screen dedicated to agent creation. Now select Gemini CLI. This step will direct you to the command line interface where additional configurations can be made for your agent. Once in the Gemini CLI, click on Model. This option allows you to choose the model your agent will use for its tasks. Ensure that you've chosen the appropriate model for your needs. Next, click on Auto. This selection will enable automatic functionalities for your agent, allowing it to operate more efficiently. After that, click on Gemini 2.0 Flash. This option activates the latest features available for your agent, enhancing its capabilities. Now, click on Test Now. This action will allow you to run a test on your new agent to ensure that it functions as expected. Wait for the test to complete before proceeding. Once the test is complete, click on Next to move to the next configuration step. Ensure that you have noted any issues from the test, as these may need to be addressed. Next, click on Task Title. This option will prompt you to enter a title for the tasks your agent will undertake. It is important to be specific and relevant in this title. After entering the task title, click on Highlight. This selection allows you to emphasize key points about the task, making it easier for the agent to understand its priorities. Now, you have the option to click on Description, which is optional. If you choose to do this, you can provide additional context about the task for your agent. Next, click on Highlight again to further emphasize critical aspects of the task. This repetition can help reinforce the agent's focus areas. Then, click on Launch. This action will initiate the final steps of your agent setup, preparing it for active use within your organization. Finally, click on Ready to Launch. This confirmation indicates that your agent is prepared for deployment and will soon be operational. To complete the process, click on Create an Open Issue. This action finalizes your setup and opens a new issue for your agent, allowing you to monitor its performance. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.